the legendary 1957 Mercedes-Benz 300SL Gullwing.
Oh, a car that's legacy and its lore continues to fascinate everyone, Steve Matchett.
Oh boy, what it is an absolute legendary car, arguably one of the most desirable vehicles ever made. But I just want to point out this feature for those viewers that may not be over familiar with engineering principles. The reason that the Gullwing doors exist, why we have to have them mounted in this position, is because all of this area along the flank of the car down here is filled with a lattice work of tubes, which gives us a chassis its structural strength. So because of all this is taken up with tubing and strength, there's nowhere to put the door. So Mercedes engineering come up with this just iconic way of attaching the door, produced the Gullwing.
And of course, this car is a derivative of the SLR race cars back in the 50s that were practically unbeatable in long-distance racing. So yeah, Steve, the racing technology obviously connects to a lot of the features on this one.
Yes, it really does. And again, Bill, let's draw your attention to the color and that classic silver arrows. This is it. You're right. The legendary Mercedes-Benz racing organization from the 50s, and then the road car organization wanted to get involved in that. Yeah.
And even today, Steve, as you know, the Black Series Mercedes-Benz, the Formula One safety cars, take a lot of their history and DNA from this car.
Yeah, yes, they do. I'm always fascinated by that. I mean, you know, my connection with Maranello goes way back, and they're so good at using their history in their modern cars. Mercedes do just the same. It's fantastic to see it, isn't it?
Yeah. By the way, the most important question is, does it come with the luggage? Yes, it has the luggage.
Okay.